Welcome back. This is All This Math. This is also Professor Parker. I got Rosa Parks here with me. Shout out to Rosa Parks, the ancestor. All right. If you're here, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Also, share this video with at least one other person. And if you got any questions about anything I try to explain, please put your questions or your comments in the comment section. All right. What are we doing? We're about to do a quick 10 drawing. Use quick 10 drawings to add these two-digit numbers, 23 and 14. So what we're going to do is we're going to represent 23 as a drawing, right, with symbols. And we're going to represent 14 as a drawing with symbols. And then we're going to combine those symbols. And this also prepares us for something that your child will encounter in algebra, which is combining like terms. So in case anybody's wondering why we got to do all that, why we can't just do it the way I learned it 30 years ago. It's nothing wrong with the way you learned it 30 years ago. But this is a way that's going to specifically help your child to be prepared for algebra and having to combine like terms. All right, among other things. Right now, how do I represent 23? I ask myself, how many tens are in 23? How many tens are in 23? There are two tens in 23. That's why there's a 2 in the tens place. This is the tens place. This is the ones place. Tens place, ones place. So I use a vertical bar to represent my tens. So I got 2 of them. So that means I need to draw 2 vertical bars. So I do 1, 2. That's my 20 right there. Now, I choose to use little circles to represent my ones. How many ones I got? I got 3 of them. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. That's my 23 right there. 10, 10, and 3. That's 23. All right. Then how do I represent 14? I'm going to draw. I got 1 10 and I got 4 ones. I got 1 10 and I got 4 ones. So I'm going to draw the picture. Another vertical bar, because that's my 10. And then 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, draw an equal sign. Count up all your tens. How many tens you got all together? 1, 2, 3. Right? 3 tens is 30. Or you're going to have a 3 in the tens place. So that's 30. And then I put a plus sign. I'm going to add my ones. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right? As long as we count correctly, we should be cool. So we got 30 plus 7. Now, you can count on from 30. Your child might be comfortable with that. They can use that method. Or they could just say, well, 30 plus 7, just like 0 plus 7 is 7. 30 plus 7 is 37. All right? And that, my friends, is our final answer, 37. All right? And like I said, what this helps to do is help to prepare your child or your grandchild, niece, nephew, whoever, for algebra that they're going to encounter later, right? Which is a very important subject, right? Within math, right? In turn, with something called combining like terms. They're going to need to be proficient and comfortable with combining like terms and being able to identify like terms. So you notice how we put the tens together and then we put the ones together? Yeah, this is introducing them to that. So in case you're wondering why, which is an excellent question, why they got to learn this? Why should they learn this? How is this going to help them? I just told you. Because it's preparing them for algebra later on. All right. This ain't just about right now. This is about preparing for the future. All right. So hit the like button if you didn't already. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Share this video with at least one other person. If you still got questions or comments, throw them in the comment section. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.